journey. Silverado's doing pretty well. Got a couple more hours to go. One thing I wanted to show you guys about this trailer is how big it is. So wide, it's wider than a Silverado 3500. Look how wide this trailer is.
So Garrett, what do we have here?
This is a 1967 Kaiser Jeep M715 military truck.
Wow. How many were made?
Around 30,000 of these were made. One and 1/4 ton pickup truck right here.
Such capacity.
She's a tractor.
Heck yeah.
I think this is the coolest feature.
Subscribe to the channel, y'all.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Did we make a mistake? No, we didn't.